Today's video is sort of giving away one of my biggest secrets, but we did promise to deliver you some quality information, so here we go. Now this is just a redirect that I've used in a video before, and last time I showed you this video, this site here was PR1. If you check today, you'll see that it's now PageRank 3. Now with my kind of magic affiliate website builder, we've now got about, I think, 70 or 80 affiliates, and yet I'm outselling my affiliates at 4 to 1. Now the reason for that is how I get traffic, and today I'm going to show you how to set up what I call the monster network. Now I'm going to give you a smaller version of it, which is the Magic Mini Network, and this is a system I developed in 2007. And if you go to ClickBank or the Warrior Forum, you'll see some of these type systems selling with a monthly membership of up to $147. So today what you're getting is absolute gold, because you're going to get it 100% free. Now here's how the system works. This is the main site here. I then create a blog on a folder, in a folder on the end. I then go to Hub Pages, Squidoo, Yahoo 360, Blogger, Enzine articles, and I get all the RSS feeds from those sites. Now I in fact use over 80 different authority sites, but this is just the mini version. And so we got here, okay, this is a tripod from GeoCities, this is Yahoo 360, this here is a Google page, this here is another related blog of mine, and this here is my Enzine articles feed. Now what I do is on each of them is I get the RSS feed and I add it using widgets to the different sites so that they're all interlinking together. I don't link from my main page to any of these. I have all of these links coming inwards, and so you'll see here that I've got the RSS feed, and I've got the RSS feed here from Wholesale Dropshipping. This is an RSS feed from Tripod. This is the 360 blog. This is my Hub Pages RSS feed. This is my iWholesale US, and I can add into this my Blogger Blogs feed and a few others that I've done. So what this does is it sets up a network. Now why it's so powerful, because of just being a text link, I've got the links to my site inside content, which Google loves, because people have tried to increase their rankings using text links and things. I think that Google's changed the way that it ranks things. Now this is part one of the system. So you go around your different hub pages and Squidoo lenses and things, and you can go and add your RSS feed. See here, we've got one here from my WordPress blog, and so you can go and add your RSS feeds to all of these pages. And you see here's a Squidoo lens, and you'll see here that this Squidoo lens, all this is just my RSS feed. I haven't written any content whatsoever. Okay, so you just go to each site and you'll see a little orange button like this, and all you need to do is go copy link location, and what I do is I save them all in Excel. Now once you've got all that set up, it takes a few hours to do, but it brings you in traffic for years. And what it does is it sets up your own network of sites linking to you that have got authority, and all of them authority and ranking in the search engines increase as a result. Now, if you also have video feeds and you submit to some of the big article directories, you can add your RSS from some of those sites too, because you can go into your channel and get an RSS URL for your channel. Now, so what I do then is, once I've got my network set up, I start bookmarking it. Now, I don't use this tool here. This is a free tool called Social Marker. I actually use a tool that I brought. It's quite expensive. It's I think it's $147 US. But this is how I started out. I used to use free tools like Oneway or Social Marker. And what this allows you to do is to come in and to bookmark each of those pages that you set up. So you're creating links into the pages that link to the page where you want people to go to buy your product. Now, how this helps is, if you just created the pages by themselves, the search engines won't rank them that high because they haven't got any inward links. Now, if you went and created all of these links pointing at your site, it doesn't look natural. It's not the way the internet works, and the search engines algorithms have ways of seeing if that's what you're doing or not. But by using these social type sites and creating links to them, and then having a few of them linking back to your site using RSS feed, we can get around that problem and create a very, very powerful network. Now, I release information on this in SEO Revolutions, the second product in the My Kind of Magic system, where I show people how you can generate 32,000 links. But you don't want to go out and do this all in one day. I'll tell you why. I had a website which was ranked page 1 of google.com.co.nz for the keyword phrase work from home. It was also ranked for 4,992 other keywords, and it earned 5 digits monthly from AdSense. It made sales. One page used to do between $100 and $300 a day from ClickBank. And what I did was I went crazy and decided to build 32,000 links to it. And as a result, Google de-indexed me. That is, they took me out of the search results. So this stuff that I'm teaching you is very, very powerful, but go easy. Don't go crazy. There's nothing worse than getting a site earning money and having huge volumes of traffic and then you go and blow it all. So this is just a little bit here. This is my version of the Monster Network. Now, I'm probably going to get a few emails from people that have brought products that say, hey, this is just a copy of other people's work. Well, for all those people, if you go to YouTube and have a look at Justin, I think it's either AKL account or Justin ACK account, you'll see a video on this called the Magic Network, and the date on that is January 2007. So you'll be able to see that I've been using this system for quite some time. I believe I developed this system, and that all these products that you're seeing being released, charging people money for, copies of that system. But hey, that's that's cool. We've got no problem with that. But anyway, what I want you to do with this system here is all of your affiliate programs or your AdSense sites, just try it. Try this system with one and see how it goes. This is what I do, as opposed to spending 2 or 3 hours a day in a traffic exchange to get maybe 1 or 2 people on my list, or going around free-for-alls or classifieds or anything like that. I spend my time doing this. Now, nowadays, all the content for all these networks that I set up, I just pay someone else to write it. But when I first started out, I wrote all the content myself. But what this allows you to do is to start earning money. All of these sites will send you targeted traffic. Now, you might look at the article feed that I've got there, and I've just used an example. But what I actually do with my article sites is I create different accounts. And on one account, I will only have related articles. So I'll have one, say, on dropshipping. I'll have another one, say, on weight loss. And I'll have a different name, different profile, different email, everything. So when I put that RSS feed into this network, it's only supplying related information. Now I'll just go back to this page here again so you can see, and I've only put a few of them on here, just as an example. So you've got these RSS feeds here, right, and these are all the sources from some of these pages that I've just shown you. For those that belong to My Kind of Magic, after you've been a member for 30 days, you're going to get the Monster Network free. And this will send a ton of traffic to your option sites very, very quickly and help them rank extremely high in the search engines. Now, this technique here also, for those that have had a look at my by page rank domains, I'm just going to show you something here quickly. You just got to have a look inside some of the lists of sites that I have. All of those files there are websites or blogs that I have online. This is a domain that I brought May of this year for $5 from using the system that I give away on how to find page rank domains to build a blog network. Now you see down here that it's PR4. Now when I bought it, it was PR4, and how I kept it at PR4 was just by setting up one of these networks. So that's all you need to do. If you've got a site that's, say, PR0, PR1, PR2, and you want to up the PR, the system will also help do that. I don't put a big, once you get to PR3 or 4, I'm happy with how often the search engines visit, and I don't go and target page rank increase after that. But what I do want is I want tons and tons of targeted traffic coming into my site. And this is how you can set up a page that's totally related, using your own keywords, using your own content. You've got total control over everything in your network, and the system is incredibly well. This is what allows me to outsell most affiliates 4 or 5 times. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to put some links down there for an example below the video. And just for those that are viewing this on the content video sharing network, say YouTube or Google Video or Vidler or wherever it is, if you want some more information and you want to get like some more techniques like this, absolutely free, just visit mykindofmagic.com, and there's a hyphen in between each word, and sign up for our free newsletter. We give all of these tips away free. And to those that are already on the list, I hope you're enjoying this information. If you are, leave us a comment. If there's more you'd like to know, hey, just ask. Till next time, this is Justin Boyce from NZ PCs. Thanks for your time.